A super easy salmon fried rice recipe that you can make for lunch or for dinner. I remove the skin and then chop the salmon down into cubes. You really don't have to do that, but it makes it easier when you are done cooking it to chop it up. Season it to taste. You can use whatever seasoning you want. Just make sure that you do season it. Once you mix all that in there nice and good, then you take some olive oil or oil, put it in a pan, and then cook that salmon down. Once it starts to cook, you can chop it up into little pieces. You can leave it bite-sized if you want, but I like to do it like that. Put that to the side. In that same pan, I put an onion, garlic, and corn and peas. Chopped up my onions, sauteed those. I put those to the side because my daughter does not like onions, but you can leave this in the mixture. Put in the garlic, the egg, the corn, and peas. Mix that all together. Added in some rice. Added back in the salmon. Stirred that all up, and then added some soy sauce. You can season again to make sure you have good flavor all through. Mix that all up, cook that down for about a minute or so, and then this is how it turns out. It is so quick and so simple, and it makes a great lunch or dinner.